Oh crap, this thing is stuck. Hey, how's it going? So I thought I was on my way to work when I tried to disconnect the charger from the BMW i3, but it was stuck. I tried to unlock it, I did that like 3 or 4 times, still didn't release. So I looked real close, didn't have time to research. I saw this little white peg, and I thought, what if I just push that in manually? It was hard to find something so small to fit that little purpose, so I tried a screwdriver, didn't work. Ultimately, I found a little basketball pump adapter thing, and I stuck that in there, and I was able to manually push in the peg, and it released. Alright, check it out. I hope it works for you. Hey, thanks for checking out my video. I really hope that worked for you. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Quick, while I was going through the edits on this video, I noticed there is a little black-brown dog walking around in the backyard. That is actually Tuna. For those of you who have seen my previous videos with the Boston Terrier Badger. Sadly, he passed away about 5 weeks ago. So this is now my new dog, Tuna. She's a Staffordshire Terrier mix. She's 9 months old, and you guys will see a little bit more of her on the channel. That's all. I just wanted to clear that up in case you guys are wondering, who the fuck, whose dog is that? Anywho, that's Tuna. She's under the desk right now, chewing on a toy. But that's all. I just wanted to say that. Oh, also real quick, on the i3, that has only happened to me once, where it didn't unlock the charger. But just in case, I don't ever want to be like in a really messed up situation, I did keep that little basketball adapter in the car now. So if I'm ever out and about and I do need to emergency unlock it, I will have the tool with me. All right, check it out. Wait, no, check it out. You guys already checked out the video. Anywho, thanks. See ya. Bye.